this is my YouTube channel and this is my Hot Wheels track. It goes from the trigger on some track, it goes a little jump on some track and then a jump through here onto this button and another trigger hits this car flying off. This car is going on the Hot Wheels track now. This Lamborghini is going on the track. The Superman car is going on the track now. It did it! This Jeep is gonna do the Hot Wheels track now. If you like this video, please give it a like or subscribe.